I figured I would make a video out here in the hallway where I have these bulletin boards covered with awesome stuff. This one, not so awesome. It's got a really nice lithograph artwork here, compliments of Texas Instruments, all these different kinds of IC packages, and just a bunch of IEEE and ham radio stuff on here. But anyway, the one that I put a lot of time into was this one right here. So I put a bunch of black construction paper as the background, and then I've got all these really awesome circuit boards and stuff right here. First of all, the lab. This is a plastic sheet from the contact pads of a keyboard I took apart, and it really was color blue like this. I've never seen anything else like it in any other keyboard I've taken apart. And then I put this 1/4-inch copper tape here and cover that up with Kapton tape to give it this nice bronze goldish color here for the words. And then got an old piece of RAM and some funky RF stuff here. These would be from satellite dish antenna for TV or whatever. Up here we've got all these wheels for different switch contacts taken out of DMMs. So of course these were part of much larger circuit boards. I just cut out the wheels and kept that, put them up here. This is from a really old printer, inkjet printer I took apart that had black and magenta yellow cyan. This whole thing was for the print heads. And we got some nice surface mount sample circuit board here, and some other CDs that I've destroyed with high voltage, and a nice snowman down here made out of stuff from floppy disk drives, the motors, the brushless DC motors inside there, and of course we've got hard disks right here and a sign that says "Do not touch." Yet you can still see people's fingerprints on here. They still touch it. And of course got this thing here, the read-write head over it. Lots of different sizes here. Hell, I just even touched it myself. Some other weird mechanical stuff. Just looks really nice. And we got some blue circuit boards here. And you know, whatever kind of small circuit boards that actually fit in this space here and still look pretty good doing it. Here's some more funky RF Black Magic stuff on this one. And got an old computer expansion card here. And oh, I should get a 9-volt battery for this. So let me plug that on. And that goes up to this little Dell circuit board. Came from the front of a Dell computer, and this was for the power button and the reset button and all that, and the power indicators and the hard drive access indicator and all that. So I kept the LEDs in place, got rid of everything else, and replaced it with a stable multi-vibrator circuit. Little dinky vacuum tube here. Got a video card, nice red video card, took the heatsink off of it, and some other old ICs. There's another LED flasher here. This came from an old cell phone that I took apart, and got the the green LEDs for lighting up the keypad, and it's hooked up to an LM3909 LED flasher. That's what it's actually intended for. It's obsolete. I think you can still buy them, but they ain't cheap. Like $5, $5 or $10 is how much they're going for right now. So I've got a few of those left over, and this one's working pretty well. What's really amazing about the LM3909 is that it could work on a single cell, so you could have it on a single AA or a C or a D, and even if you got it powered on a D, it'll last for at least 1 year, flashing the LED continuously for 1 or 2 years. And then of course, what bulletin board would be complete without comic strips? So we got Frank and Ernest, and then you can pause and read this if you want, an Ask Marilyn thing about engineers and their significance to society. And yeah, there's the main title up there, and a little enter key. I have no idea why I put that. Oh, duh, because enter pointing this way, that's the entrance to the equipment room. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up.